Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Battery voltage is stable and the car is safe to work on. Use an OBD2 scanner now to read the stored trouble codes. This tells you what triggered the check engine light and why. Once the scanner shows codes, write them down and cross-reference common Kia Seltos issues. Make sure to clear any pending codes only after repairs. Immediate clearing without fixing will just make the light return and hide the underlying fault. You now move into targeted diagnostics based on the code. For example, if it points to a VAP or fuel trim, check the gas cap and hoses. If it's a sensor code, inspect connectors and test voltages. Replace or clean MAF and O2 sensors when readings are out of range. Use live data to watch fuel trims and sensor response while cranking or idling. This confirms the repair works. Once you fix the root cause, run the car through a readiness cycle before clearing codes. You finish by clearing the codes with your OBD2 tool only after confirming the issue is repaired. This forces the car's modules to retest sensors. Then drive through a full readiness cycle, mix city and highway driving, so monitors can rerun. Make sure the check engine light stays off and the same code doesn't reappear. If the light returns, rescan immediately, capture freeze-frame data, and consider a deeper diagnostic or dealer-level scan. Because intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.